Good morning. Have you ever wondered about how chemical properties affect the way that everyday products work the way they do? Or specifically, have you ever wondered about how the chemical properties in glue makes it work the way it does? I mean, we've all had plenty of experiences with it in elementary. Not all good. Um, that's exactly what I'll be talking about today. We'll be working with two household items. One, borax, which is a common household laundry detergent booster, and polyvinyl acetate, which is the main ingredient in Elmer's glue. Before I go on, I'll define two terms. The first, non-covalent interactions, which I'm sure you have learned about in this class, but for those of you that haven't been paying that much attention, I'll define it again. Non-covalent interactions are basically just interactions between molecules that do not involve the sharing of electrons. Next, hydrogen bonds, which I'm sure some of you haven't heard of, but your teacher has talked about in class, are non-covalent interactions between positively charged hydrogen atoms and negatively charged other atoms. We will be using as we add the borax and the polyvinyl acetate, or glue, together, they should form non-covalent interactions. More specifically, they should form hydrogen bonds. And these hydrogen bonds are quite weak, which is why they break very easily. Which means that they break quite easily, which is why they're a slime and not a brick, because as gravity wears on them, the hydrogen bonds break and do not stay compact. Hopefully today we'll be making a slime. I've got my bowl, and I've got 8 ounces of Elmer's glue, which I'll add to the bowl. Takes a while. Along with 6 ounces of water. And then I'll stir this. Once I'm done stirring, in a separate container, I'll add a teaspoon of borax along with a half cup of hot water. And I'll stir really good because I want it very dissolved, which is why I added hot water. Because as you know, hot water gets molecules moving faster and makes everything dissolve way faster. So once it's done, can I get a volunteer? Thank you. You will add the borax solution to the glue as I stir very slowly. So add it as I stir. And once it sticks to the spoon, I'll start kneading it, and she'll keep adding it, and once it's all gone, you can sit down. Once it's all gone, I'll wait until all the hydrogen bonds have formed with the borax and polyvinyl acetate. And can I get another volunteer? I have slime for everyone. Yes, I know you're excited. And so, as you play with it, you can realize that the hydrogen bonds are very weak. You can see them breaking. Like, that's why it's moving. That's why it doesn't stay. And as you play with it, I really hope you can realize that chemistry is interesting even outside the lab. It's all around you, and if you pay attention, it can be very interesting. Even though you do not make slime or want to make slime every day, this demonstration should show you that there are many uses of household items or items all around you. And chemistry has everything to do with it. Examine, explore, and experiment with everything around you. I mean, why not? It'll make your life just a little bit more interesting.